How to add a scroll effect on Capcut. Everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Capcut application on a device, and as you can see, I've already selected a project over here that I want to add a scroll effect on. So all you have to do is just tap on the video or the location or the position where you want to set the scroll effect on. So if I want to have a scroll effect over here in this timeline, then I'm going to tap on that and then go to the effect option at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on video effects, and then on the search bar you can directly search for scroll. Now as you tap on scroll, you'll be able to see different options available over here. So here I'm going to select over here this one, which is a scrolling project, and then tap on cancel and then tap on the tick mark again and look at how it looks. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.